Most people are not ready for structure. Most people say they want structure, but in actual fact, they don't. Many want the result of structure without the discipline it demands. Structure is uncomfortable because it removes excuses, it removes emotional decision making, and it removes I try. It removes all those three reasons. Therefore, structure is uncomfortable to some people. Meanwhile, when you operate with structure, you execute when you don't feel like it. You track numbers instead of moods. You correct flaws instead of defending them. That level of accountability is rare. And that is why most people stay inconsistent. They want growth, but not operational change. This is why selectivity matters. Open access attracts interest. Standards attract execution. I don't work with just everyone because not everyone is ready to rebuild properly. So if you are ready for correction instead of comfort, the next step is below. This is for builders, not for browsers.